Yes, the relationship. You mentioned the relationship. I think it's now going to get better with Sharif. You know, your previous prime minister didn't say such nice things about the United States, as you know. But we've always had a great relationship. When I was a little boy, when there was the conflict between Pakistan and India, I used to root for Pakistan because you were allied with the West. There was SEATO, remember, the Southeast Asia Treaty Organization. And so Pakistan was allied, and I will work to restore that relationship. Sharif is now in charge, and I will do everything I can to do that as well. I would try, look, I always believe that if you reach out, people are, even if people think you don't agree with them, reaching out, respecting them, talking to them, listening to people is the best way to go. And I would hope that our administration, whoever the new prime minister is, would say, we want to establish a new page, reach out, we want to work with you.